Well, good morning, everyone. It appears we've made it into Colorado. We're in Colorado. We're in Colorado. Yeah. What? Colorado? Oh yes, Colorado. Oh, the color of America. Colorful state, Colorado. Colorful Colorado. Colorful out here. I mean, look at all these rocks. Very, very colorful. And that is like the awesomest cottage ever. Very colorful. Very colorful. Hey, nobody's staying in that cottage over there? Yep. Right. What? Colorado. Whew, good. Man, it was getting way too hot in Texas. I got a feeling it's not going to be different in Colorado. Oh my gosh, it's really chilly out here. This is awesome. Alright. Okay, get up. Let's get... Guys, I think I'm going to go for a walk. Why are you going to go on a walk this early in the morning? There's creatures everywhere. Don't worry about it. I don't worry about any of this stuff. Ouch. Sorry, Godzilla. I mean, it's not like there's anything dangerous out there. Practically everything out there is dangerous. There's pine needles that could get stuck in your foot. There's deers that could trample you. There are wolverines that can maul you and eat your face up. There are so many dangerous things, like bobcats, cougars, mountain lions. Cougars and mountain lions are the same thing, guys. Did you know that? Wait, what the? Hey, Kai, are you eating Cheetos? Maybe. Whatever. Give me a Cheeto.